Alright, so I've always wondered whether these headlight kits work or not. This is it right here. Let's see if it works. Alright, so it said step 1 was to clean the lens, and then step 2 was to tape off these areas. And let's see what step 3 is. Spray it with this stuff. Let it sit for 30 seconds and then wash. 30 seconds. Alright, next step is to rinse this stuff off. Alright. 400 grit. 400 grit. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, 1000 sandpaper. Supposed to be scrubbing this thing for 5 minutes apiece. Open the packet, clarifying compound, a quarter-size dollop on one of the white towels provided. Rub all surfaces for 5 minutes. When complete, rinse the lens and completely dry it off. Alright, now we're supposed to wet it. And completely dry it off. Apply surface activator. Activator for 30 seconds and thoroughly rinse with water. This will fully clean the lens in preparation for the... Alright, so we thoroughly dried it. Now we got to hit it with surface applicator again. Let's see, after 30 seconds and then thoroughly rinse with water. Applicator. This guy right here. Now we're supposed to wait 4 to 6 hours. Alright, so, done. Is there a difference? And there's that one. So here's the driver's side.
I don't like these windshield wipers.
And the passenger side.
They work awesome.
Yeah, but you can't lift them up.